Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a young woman named Princess. She was a graceful ballet dancer, her movements as smooth as the Caribbean breeze, and her heart as warm as the sun-kissed beaches. Every day, she danced beneath the shade of towering palm trees, dreaming of sharing her passion with the world. One bright morning, as the rhythm of reggae floated through the air, Princess was practicing her pirouettes by the seaside when she heard a soulful melody drifting from a nearby street corner. Curious, she followed the sound and found a man named Jason, a talented singer with a voice that could make the stars dance. His songs echoed the stories of love, hope, and unity that Jamaicans hold close to their hearts. Their eyes met, and in that instant, something magical sparked between them. Princess's elegant dance blended beautifully with Jason's heartfelt singing, creating a symphony of movement and melody that captivated everyone around. They began to spend more time together, sharing stories of their dreams, their roots, and their love for their island. As days turned into weeks, their bond grew stronger, like the steady heartbeat of reggae that ties Jamaica's soul together. Princess found herself inspired by Jason's voice, and Jason discovered new depths of passion in Princess's dance. Under the warm Caribbean sun, they performed a special duet, her delicate ballet intertwined with his soulful singing, filling the air with happiness and love. In that moment, on a breezy Jamaican evening, surrounded by friends and the rhythm of life, Princess and Jason knew they had found something rare and beautiful. Love that moves as freely as the ocean waves and sings as sweetly as the island's song. And from that day on, their hearts danced together forever, a perfect harmony of love, music, and dance in paradise.